Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout and I am going to ink the edges of everything of all my paper layers. And I know Theo, he has recordar, I guess, because every time I go to record a video, he knows. He is not camera shy whatsoever. He is all up in my business. So I did a border punch, and that's what I'm putting on either side of this pattern. That poinsettia pattern is from pretty much everything is Hip Kit Club's Merry Everything. The paper actually came cellophaned in a packet in its own packaging. And so all the papers say Hip Kit Club's Merry Everything exclusive papers. And so are the die cuts and any stickers. So even that black and white checkered pattern is Hip Kit Club's Merry Everything. And then here is my most recent purchase is the cutter bug. I bought the bigger one, that one that has the drawer. So I mean, my Fiskars was broke. It fell, and I have a Travestine tile in my new house, and it fell and broke. I'm like, really? So I was able to super glue the piece in and kind of keep it down. I mean, make it work. But it got to where I couldn't even get things to cut straight. So I said, okay, time to buy a new cutter. So I ordered it, and only thing I don't like is if I have my windows open and I'm scrapbooking during the day, I can't see the cut lines. If I turn on the light to cut, I can't see the cut line. So I have to shut my blinds. But other than that, I mean, I really like it. I'm still learning how to use it because I only scrapbook on the weekends for the most part. The format that I use is, of course, Hip Kit Club's Merry Everything. So, anyway, I don't scrapbook during the week. I scrapbook during the weekends. Um, because I don't have as much time in the evening. Between Mateo and I, we've gotten playing handball at the tennis courts. So we try to come home, just chill for a minute, and then we go for an hour of the play handball for an hour. And then we come back, eat dinner, play fetch, shower, and it's time for him to go to bed. And then an hour later, I go to bed. So the weekend is the only time I can scrapbook. And so I get up a little early so everyone's asleep, so I can have my time. So usually on the weekends, during the week, I get up about 4:45 so I can get everything done. Because I have to leave at 6 to get to work by 6:35. And I don't have to actually be there till 7:05, but that just gives me some time we eat breakfast at school. I bring us multi-meal to eat, and so it gives us time to eat our breakfast that we brought and just kind of hang out, chill. So all my die cuts are Merry Everything. The ornament stickers are Merry Everything puppy stickers. I have regular stickers, which are Merry Everything. I'm going to sneeze. Hold on. Ugh. And then I'm going to use some chipboard ornament. And the rocking horse, which is Merry Everything chipboard stickers. And I wanted to try to, since they are taking pictures in front of their Christmas tree, this is my friend from elementary school, her daughter and her husband. I wanted to try to use up these trees. And they're wearing sweaters, whether they're ugly sweaters or not. I wanted to use the sweater and the phrase ugly sweater. And so, anyway, the phrase stickers are Pretty Little Studio Christmas Cheer. O is Hip Club's Make a Wish from December. Christmas is Hip Club's Merry Everything. And Tree is American Craft Simplicity Stickers. And then the stars are Hip Club's Merry Everything. And that completes my layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.